Hi friends, welcome on Yourpedia, and as you know, on platform of Yourpedia you get a lot of opportunities, information about the lot of opportunities related to the field of agriculture, environment, etc. Now this video is related to one very I'll say ready to convert PhD option for Indian students with very good scholarship of 24,000 euro, and this option is for PhD in the field of this enhancing nature based solution for mitigating emerging micropollutant, environment and agriculture background domain. So chemical engineering, environmental chemistry, environmental engineering, hydrology, environmental science, this is the domain, and the opportunity is there for Indian students, worldwide students. 17th July is the last date, and Bedford, United Kingdom, you have this particular option. So let me tell you something about the project. This is all about project, and the scholarship is very good. Stipend is 24,000 pound. This is not euro, sorry, this is 24,000 pound, which is even good for Indian students. And micropollutant removal in different type of water, I mean wastewater treatment, it is related to wastewater treatment domain. And you read this entire project, and if you find that you people are somewhere related to this particular project and आपने इस से related कुछ काम किया है, इस project से related कुछ काम किया है, आपका इसमें understanding है, then obviously you can apply with the help of mentors of Yourpedia. Environmental quality standards, environmental domains, early warning systems. So देखो, अगर आपने इस field से related कुछ काम किया है, इस project में आप कुछ करना चाहते हैं, long term performance of NBS, wetland through site surveys, sustainable intensification strategies, engineering biology approach, cost benefit analysis. तो अगर इससे रिलेटेड आपको कुछ काम करना है या आपने पहले कुछ काम किया है and you are looking for PhD option, then this is the option for you. तो ये आपकी क्रैनफील्ड यूनिवर्सिटी एंड 4 अदर UK वाटर यूटिलिटीज़ के साथ मिलके ये आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी है. तो this is a collaboration project, is basically the collaboration between these universities. So stipend काफ़ी अच्छा है इसमें per annual, and there is a 15 students will be required for this particular option, and 17 July is the last date. Application deadline 17 July. PhD है, start date 30 September से है, duration 4 साल, eligibility rest of the world, and these are the supervisors. You can also contact the supervisors. So requirement is environmental engineering, environmental chemistry, environmental science, chemical engineering, and you should have this knowledge of wastewater treatment. Okay, so these are some more requirements, but you can discuss this with the mentor of Yourpedia in case you are interested. So you can seek this guidance and assistance of mentors of Yourpedia, right? So yeah, so I think this is a wonderful opportunity for you, and I'm sure if this matches your interest, you should try it, you will try it, and you can try to convert this option into selection. So friends, बहुत सी options हैं. आपको एक अच्छा CV, एक अच्छा अपना cover letter और इंटरव्यू का अच्छे तरीके से तैयारी करना है, बिकॉज देयर विल बी इंटरव्यू फॉर यू. 15 जुलाई लास्ट डेट है, हमारे पास अभी भी टाइम है, और सितंबर से इसका PhD स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. तो अगर आप इसकी वेट कर रहे हैं टू ज्वाइन योर PhD प्रोग्राम इन सितंबर in the universities, and you have just completed your masters and you're looking for opportunities abroad, you can straightforward try for these kind of options and start your PhD programs. So all the very best friends. In case it matches your interest, join it. Thank you.